An exceptional name, right? Have you ever known about it? Then, at that point, the present moment is the second to inform yourself about it. It might appear to be a story, yet that is the manner by which this extraordinary computerized money's process started at first. According to the information, Dogecoin bears this odd yet particularly alluring name, which turned into a mascot of a Japanese variety of canine called Shiba Inu and thus Doge. From that point forward, this quickly developing digital money turned into a well-known name, Dogecoin. Dogecoin is decentralized and totally secure, as indicated by the authentic information and ongoing Dogecoin cost forecast. Doge represents an available and feasible option in contrast to Bitcoin. The remarkable, energetic Dogecoin people group has permitted Doge to accomplish something of a religion following. History of Dogecoin. Dogecoin was made only for transparency with the mascot of the previously mentioned Japanese canine by developer Billy Marcus and advertiser Jackson Palmer in December 2013. Palmer left the organization in 2015. However, Marcus remains its lead designer even today. In spite of the fact that it's shrouded in a hilarious facade, Dogecoin's designers have demanded that they take the venture and their obligation to clients genuinely throughout the long term. As proof, the organization would try and set out on a few prominent tests in cryptographic money plan. Without a doubt, Doge has demonstrated its grit as well. What is a Dogecoin? One of the most well-known uses of Dogecoin is tipping individual web participants who create or share extraordinary substance. It bears more worth basically because of its easy-to-use framework. No brilliant preparation, no extraordinary aptitude required. It is effectively viable with your PC, cell phone, or site. Dogecoin is like purchasing any merchandise in general stores through Visas. The main thing where Dogecoin stands separated is that Doge is utilized with a wallet to purchase labor and products or purchase Dogecoin with Bitcoin or government-issued types of money. Dogecoin was intended to be a cordial, more congenial type of cryptographic money that could arrive at clients put off by the chilly intricacy of Bitcoin. Indeed, even its name is taken from a famous web image. A decision component of Dogecoin today is a tipping administration. Clients will tip different clients for posts or commitments they accept merit acknowledgement. It is a more persuasive way than just like on any web-based entertainment stage that urges different clients to peruse the survey and be interested to purchase Dogecoin. Ceaseless online entertainment publicity by retail financial backers accounts Dogecoin digital money to continuously eclipse recently sent-off canine coins like Shiba Inu. Dogecoin people group. All the rage. The standard of any driving coin is the prominence and fan wave that twirls around them. Similar holds at the cost of Doge, as the reception rate for Dogecoin is very high as per Dogecoin cost expectation. This advanced cash is dynamic and resolute worth wins around an emanation of the whole fan local area that places their confidence in it. It is nothing unexpected that the entire fanbase or local area predicts its cost will before long skyrocket. This is the fundamental framework of this resource, as the genuine Dogecoin esteem lies in the certainty the purchasers have in the local area support it gets. Consequently, its Dogecoin reception rate has expanded. Dogecoin, don't be a pickpocket. Dogecoin's cost has monstrous potential, with the sort of acclaim rising. The presence of Dogecoin is tremendous in contrast with different contenders. Obviously, a significant justification behind this is the critical benefits expressed here in above. Utilizing Dogecoin needs no unique preparation. Generally agreeable to utilize, it carries genuine worth to its clients. Stowing your Dogecoin is presently simple. In this way, utilization of Dogecoin implies power in the possession of the client. Likewise, clients can top off their offset with practically any cryptographic money and send it to practically any altcoin address. Exchanges between clients are free. On the off chance that you have a finger in exchanging, you can utilize a coordinated digital currency trade to change Doge over completely to practically some other coin. An administration or bank is a concentrated foundation that can truly print its own cash. Interestingly, coins like Bitcoin, Dogecoin, and so forth adopt a decentralized strategy to delivering new tokens, and their local area makes Doge. As conveyed here in before, helper verification of work shapes the premise behind the working of Doge, empowering excavators to handle Dogecoin exchanges by utilizing their registering ability to address convoluted conditions. When the condition is settled, another block is added to the Dogecoin organization, and the excavator is compensated with Doge. Doge estimate. The cost will be around 16 cents in 1 year, while in the following 5 years, the cost will reach 86 cents. In view of the Dogecoin value forecast of advanced coin value, Doge might exchange at 8 cents toward the finish of 2022, 13 cents by 2025, and 29 cents by 2030. Cost expectation. The base cost of the coin will be around 8 cents toward the finish of 2023, and the greatest cost may be 12 cents. Dogecoin value expectation 2022. Elon Musk has kept assisting with helping the cost of Doge. Dogecoin's cost has seen a slight development throughout recent days. Elon Musk's nonstop help with tolerating Dogecoin as an installment for merchandise and institutional reception has been valuable to the coin. In May 2021, Dogecoin's cost hit another unequaled high of 73 cents because of ceaseless big-name support and furthermore recorded on eToro, proceeding with huge development as far as cost in the impending months is anticipated. Elon Musk's tweet makes sense of that one can purchase Tesla product with Dogecoin. Additionally, as per the Tesla official site, one can utilize Dogecoin to buy the Cyberwhistle, Giga Texas belt clasp, and Cyberquad for youngsters. As per the Dogecoin news, AMC has begun tolerating installments in image coins like Dogecoin from Walk 19, 2022, and Imprint Cuban, the proprietor of Dallas Dissident, acknowledges Dogecoins for tickets and product. The image coin built up forward movement via online entertainment after Elon Musk's supporting motion. Elon Musk's tweet expressing the acknowledgement of the token as a functioning installment mode for merchandise carried forward movement to Dogecoin's cost, affecting business sector Dogecoin cost expectations decidedly. Additionally, when asked what compels him pick Doge over different coins, he answered over Twitter that Doge has canines and images, while the others don't. Besides, the Ukrainian government has now chosen to acknowledge Dogecoin gifts in the midst of the Russian attack. As of late, Keith Johnson has blamed Elon Musk for a supposed Dogecoin fraudulent business model and has sued him for $258 billion on June 16. That's what he says Musk involved his platform as world's most extravagant man to work and control the Dogecoin fraudulent business model revenue-driven, openness, and entertainment. In the midst of this, Elon Musk keeps on supporting the coin. This is obvious on the grounds that on June 19, 2022, he remarked, Dogecoin cost is supposed to recuperate its lost energy and head towards its opposition level of 12 cents. According to the Dogecoin cost expectation for 2022, the cost of Dogecoin could cross 7 cents before the year's over. The anticipated high for 2022 may be around 9 cents. And on the drawback, the low may be around 2 cents. The one-year cost is projected according to our expectation for 2022. Dogecoin expectation 2023. According to the market feeling and specialists' perspectives, the cost of Dogecoin could enroll a steady ascent. What's more, by mid-2023, the Doge would have the option to cross the 10 cents mark. The anticipated high for 2023 may be more than 20 cents. On the disadvantage, the low may be around 6 cents. Dogecoin expectations 2024. According to the Doge cost expectation for 2024, the cost could cross 40 cents toward the finish of 2024. According to our figure, the anticipated most extreme cost for 2024 may be around 45 cents. On the disadvantage, the low may be around 8 cents. What's in store results anticipated don't be guaranteed to mirror the long-haul acquiring potential. Dogecoin Value Forecast 2025. According to our Dogecoin Cost Forecast 2025, the coin could possibly contact the 60 cents cost mark on the potential gain, while on the drawback, it could fall up to 20 cents. According to our Doge cost expectation, the cash cost